Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this, but it's going to teach or show you a couple of tools. I'm going to put a rectangle, I'll put P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make it 8 inches wide. Now I'm going to take an ellipse and I'm going to make the ellipse 8 inches. Now I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And I'm going to select them both and I'm going to hit T. Now my ellipse is 1.85 big. So I'm going to change my nudge factor to 1.84. That way I won't have a leak for sure. And I'm just going to do like that many or more. You could do fewer or less. Now we want to take our Smart Fill tool, and depending on what side you want to start on, but I'm going to go right here. So I'm going to cut the top off. Then I'm going to go the other side, top, 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 and top. Now we've got, if you want to start over here, you're going to have rounded ends. So we're going to take a 2-point line, and we're going to go like right there. Now I'm going to get the extrude tool, which is underneath your drop shadow flyout, and I'm going to put like 6 nodes and put like 15 peaks on it. That's not enough. So go back and get the extrude tool again. Oh, I put 5, so 15. See, that gives us, now we've got to convert it to a curve so we can move those nodes out a little further. Now I can make another one, but I'm just going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and then mirror it. And then I'm going to put that one like right there. And maybe even angle it a little differently. And it's going to be like a rip. Now, it's really not going to matter, but I'm going to cut that out. And I don't have to cut out anything that's not in the way, but that could be in the way. I'm going to cut it. So now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in that, and that. Now, here's a tool that very seldom people ever use besides when you use the interactive fill tool. See, I had the last thing selected, so I need to select that one and then hit the black on that edge. Now, I'm going to use the attribute Eyedropper, and I'm going to take a sample of that and I'm going to fill in every other one. I don't really have to do any more, but I'm going to take this one, get the interactive fill tool, swipe across that, and put a black in there. Too much, so maybe now I can use the attribute Eyedropper. And what this is going to do, it's going to give me a carbon copy of my look. Now I'm going to select everything and take the lines away. And let's put our black box over it. And you've got a twisted ribbon. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea and showed you a tool or two. Hope that, thank you for watching.